Welcome to Technia TV. I am Jagrati Basera, faculty of BJMC from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver my lecture on radio jockeying and news reading. So today's topic is guidelines before writing a news story. After receiving the news item from various sources, writing of a news story is highly professional work. A newcomer needs a lot of practice over it. However, while writing a news story, following guidelines can be kept in the mind. Cross-check the fact. As a journalist, you should have a good idea of authenticity of a claim made or a news present in the story. It is always wise to ask, do you have the strongest source for this information? Are you using reliable primary source? Some newsrooms have policies about how many sources should be cross-verified to valid information. Even with the deadline pressure of the broadcast and the uncertainty of many untested facts, accuracy should be relentless pursued. Add perspective. A shared objective in the both print and the broadcast involve the injections of perspective, the overview into the story. Journalists do this by tying in the old story, historical facts, new angles, sidebars, and their own personal memories of the same story. Relating the newest breaking events to the trends is essential to good reporting must be undertaken with caution. Faulty memories, failing system, or untrustworthy internet information can be added unbalanced perspective and can damage the story's credibility. Sensational language, loaded words. The addition of opinionated adjectives, sensational adverbs, powerful verbs, or a Janny bits of narrative or the bizarre opinion of the secondary sources. All these constitute dangerous grounds for the responsible journalist. Brevity while editing news story. It is essential as a minute of broadcast time can be taken 100 words, thus giving an editor the choice of about 1000 to 1100 words in the 10 minutes news bulletin to cover world, national and religion news. There is a great constraint of space in radio, hence broadcast news must be put in tidy, crispy, clear, descriptive, direct and easy understood language. Next is attribution of sources. To maintain role of radio as a credible information, never start a story with the starting statement and then add the source at the end. The listener in his excitement may miss it. Avoid identify the source of the statement within the sentence unless it is essential to break up long quotation source of news. It is essential that the writer tell the listener the source of. So that's all for the today. Hope you understand the topic. Watching for more videos, subscribe Technia TV. Thank you and have a nice day.